Hello, everyone. Welcome back to AI Growth Pathways, the channel where we explore cutting-edge AI tools and technologies. In my day-to-day work, I often need to create videos to support business efforts, handle affiliate marketing, or even generate content to earn from YouTube. Finding the right AI tool to streamline these tasks is essential. While many AI video tools are available, finding one that delivers great results isn't always straightforward. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to an exceptional solution, Videogen. Videogen is an all-in-one platform enabling you to create videos and images and automatically generate full videos from simple prompts. It can search for video clips, add voiceovers, create subtitles, and manage the entire process, making video creation more accessible. What I love most about this tool is its straightforwardness, thanks to its clean and user-friendly design. Let's jump in and explore how you can maximize its potential. First, remember that Videogen is a paid service with several subscription options, such as the Pro, Scale, and Business plans. For most content creators, the Pro plan should cover all your needs. If you pay annually, it comes down to about $16 a month, while monthly payments are $24. With this, you get 60 AI credits monthly, translating to about 60 minutes of video generation. If your videos are around 5 minutes long, you can create approximately 12 monthly videos. For comparison, you are hiring a professional editor to create a 5-minute video costs as much as 24 per video, which is equal to a whole month of Videogen services. Videogen's interface is incredibly intuitive and works seamlessly across different platforms. To start, click on the Sign Up button, fill in your details, and you're good to go. I've provided the registration link in the video description below. Once you've logged in and chosen a paid plan, you'll see your recent projects on the main screen under Recent Videos. If you're starting, this area will be empty for now. The interface has just a few core menus, and I'll walk you through them step by step. The critical feature of Videogen is video creation, which you can easily tailor for multiple platforms. To get started, click on Generate a Video. You'll see a list of templates depending on which platform you're targeting, YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Depending on your plan, you will find the proper templates, free or pro. Let's say you're creating a short video for TikTok. First, select TikTok from the options. In the Outline Your Video section, fill in the details such as create a product promo video for women's high heel shoes for ages 20 to 35. Once you've entered the information, choose your script language and set the video length, around 150 words for a short-length video, for instance. Hit Create Script, and Videogen generates a script for you within seconds. The great thing about Videogen is that its production scripts sound more natural and engaging than many other AI options. When you're happy with the script, select the male or female voice in the language. Click Continue. Videogen automatically adjusts the video format for TikTok to vertical, but you can also tweak the scene transition speed. Faster transitions work well for dynamic videos, while slower transitions are ideal for relaxed styles. Once everything looks good, click Create Video. Videogen will automatically source relevant video clips. After you're happy with your edits, you can download the video in 1080p or 4K resolution. Beyond TikTok, Videogen also works perfectly for creating longer content, like YouTube videos. You can adjust the script length and video format to suit YouTube's requirements. The process is just as easy. Fill in your video details, pick the script language, select a voice. Let Videogen handle the rest. Another excellent feature of Videogen is its AI-powered image generation tool, which allows you to create unique images by simply entering a description. For instance, you can type, create a romantic picture of a lover couple by a spring in the jungle, and the AI will generate a beautiful image based on your input. In conclusion, Videogen is one of the most user-friendly and feature-packed AI video creation tools I've ever worked with. Whether you need short clips for social media or longer videos for YouTube, this tool can handle it all. The registration link is in the description below, so go ahead and give it a try. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest AI tools and tips. See you in the following video with the AI Growth Pathways channel.